Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Chatgpt interface supports images. Look for an image or camera button. Once confirmed, select a clear, well-lit photo that shows the subject. Crop it to remove distractions. Make sure the file type is acceptable, JPG or PNG, and under the platform size limit. Then tap the image icon, choose your file, and start the upload. While it uploads, prepare a short prompt describing what you want, context, desired output, and any constraints. Once the image is attached, add a targeted prompt that explains how you want the model to use the image. Specify analyze, edit, caption, or compare. Make clear requests, desired format, tone, focal points, and any constraints like word count or color preferences. If you need an edit, describe exact edits and supply example language. After sending, review the model response and ask follow-up questions to refine results, because iterative clarification improves accuracy and prevents misinterpretation. You finish by approving the output or requesting precise revisions. Tell the model what to change, for example, crop tighter or use neutral language. If the image upload fails, retry with a smaller file, convert to PNG or JPG, or reconnect to a stable network. Make sure to redact sensitive information before sending images, blur personal details, license plates, or ID. Finally, save the conversation or export results when satisfied, and keep a local backup of the edited image for records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.